Hello everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of connection problem on Yazio app. You will click on settings. In this page you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this list you will scrolling down until you find Yazio app and you will enter here. In this page of app info you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. In the end you can turn off your Wi-Fi and you can turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video and thank you for your watching and your attention.